My amazing Renew You lift can make you look 20 years younger. See the sagging of her cheeks and the flat face? We've renewed the youthful oval shape again. You're never too old. Look at the hanging neck and sagging of this lady and how beautiful and youthful she looks now. We brought up, and here she had a previous facelifting procedure, but the Renew You lift can make you look 20 years younger. It turns that squared, sagging face back into the youthful oval, restores the cheek fullness, eliminates the hanging jowls and the sagging in the face. Whereas other lifts are basically pulling, we lift. They pull, we lift. It's a night and day between our procedure and their procedures. Look at the fabulous results that have been achieved with the Renew You lift. We can beat any result that you've seen from any other facelift promotion. Look at this dramatic lifting and reshaping of this lady. Does she look 20 years younger? I leave it for you to decide. Likewise, 20 years younger with our Renew You lift. From these examples, you'll agree. We have financing available in 7 Los Angeles locations for you to for your convenience. Watch the way she goes from a sagging. Here she is 73 years old. Would you believe it? Look at her afterwards. Does she look over 50? I think she looks 20 years younger. I let you decide. Minimal incisions and laser options are available. Stanford trained Dr. Steven Burres is a master of the mini lift. Dr. Burres has been doing these kinds of procedures for 20 years, but he only gets better and better. His technique has evolved into the ultimate in mini lifting. Look at this result here. Squared, sagging, hanging face, now brought back up. Beautiful jawline, beautiful cheek contour. Does she look 20 years younger? I'll let you decide. Our incisions disappear in a few weeks, and we have a laser option available with no incision. That's right, no incision. Here she had her eyelids done at the same time. And look at her neck and jawline. Likewise, we do a lot of men with these procedures. Men want to look younger too. Same sagging, hanging, squared off face that bothers women. And wow, look at this result. How beautiful and youthful this young lady looks after her Renew You lift by Dr. Steven Burres, Stanford trained physician. And did we mention we have financing available for as little as $99 a month? These are long-lasting results that you can enjoy for the rest of your life. Don't spend your money on small laser treatments or Botox or injectables when you can get this kind of result that will last you for years and years to come. Everyone will know how much more youthful you look after you've had your Renew You lift. Any ethnicity, any background, it doesn't matter. If you're over 35, you deserve to look younger. We've done people up to 85 years old. And look at this jawline. And this lady, she looks 20 years younger directly from her driver's license pictures. She looks exact replica of the way she did 20 years ago. Why go on with a sagging, hanging face and neck and jowls when you can enjoy a much more youthful, beautiful contour? And we do revision surgeries too. Here you see her first facelift left her this band across the right jawline. We've corrected that with the Renew You lift and brought her back to this youthful contour. And she's 69 years old, believe it? And look at this fellow. Sagging, hanging face, you wouldn't even recognize him in the after pictures. And men as well, with short hair, it doesn't matter, their incisions, anything disappears. You'll never know they had surgery. Squared, sagging, hanging face. And once again, we see a guy, 73 years old. Look how youthful he looks afterwards. Plays tennis every day. And no incisions to be found. Laser only option. And this lady, look at that after picture. Would you believe she's 58 years old? She's a nurse and she went to Dr. Burres because he's Stanford trained and he's an expert at the Renew You lift. This amazing procedure that can make you look 20 years younger. And here we see Dr. Burres has revised a lift from a lifestyle lift to bring back the person to the expectations they desired from a square back to a beautiful